the BenQ station, their booth. It's amazing. They provide all the monitors that you see here at EVO. It is incredible. So they ship a ton of monitors to EVO just for this event, so everyone can play their pools, get into the tournament, and then of course Sunday finals. So BenQ is the company that provides all of that. We have an exclusive interview with one of their representatives, so I can't wait to show you guys what they do here at EVO. And then they were so kind enough to actually send me a monitor. So I will be showing you guys the professional realm when it comes to all the monitors here at EVO, and then when I get home, we get to unbox our own ZOWIE BenQ monitor. I am so excited, guys. They have so many special features that are perfect for the esports arena and the whole scene and community. Again, we have an exclusive interview with one of the representatives, and then I will show you the consumer side of the monitor. It is so loud, it's EVO, but let's do this. EVO 2019. I am at the BenQ booth, and it's incredible what they have here today. I'm with the awesome Julie. She works at BenQ. What do you do here specifically at BenQ?
So I'm the Esports Marketing Coordinator for BenQ ZOWIE, and I do a lot of the event coordinations, making sure all our monitors are set here, making sure everything here is fully functional with our team. Yeah.
She does a lot. Incredible what her team and what everyone here does for EVO. Specifically, their monitors are provided here for all the pools, right?
Yeah.
How many monitors did you guys have to bring?
We actually sent over 500 monitors for the
500 monitors, guys. That's incredible. What makes them so special?
So all of our monitors has 1 millisecond. So like we understand that all the players need that instant response time. In addition to the ergonomics of the monitors, they are height adjustable because each chair you sit on is not always going to be the same. So each player needs to adjust it. There's a pivot and swivel. Just make it just comfortable for all you.
Very customizable. I will show you guys what the pools look like, and it's incredible because every single pool here at EVO has a BenQ ZOWIE monitor. That is awesome. I cannot wait to show you guys the whole entire monitor at home because you guys are so kind enough to send me one. So it's cool because I can not only show them the professional side of the BenQ ZOWIE monitor for esports, but the reason why they should actually get one at home. Thank you so much, BenQ, for taking the time to go and see me, and especially to Julie for taking the time to have this interview. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Yes. Please enjoy EVO, enjoy the monitor. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime.
So guys, that means we are going back to my house to unbox the BenQ ZOWIE. So see you guys there. Hey guys, BenQ was so kind enough to send us the BenQ ZOWIE monitor. It's the RL2755T. This is the updated version. It is the current one that they have in stock. And like I said in the interview, it is the esports monitor that they use not only at EVO, but a lot of tournaments around the world. I definitely wanted to show you guys the professional side when it comes to this monitor. Just seeing it being utilized by a lot of players, 8 different games, 9,000 contestants and participants. I am really thankful once again to BenQ and Julie and the team for having me at their booth and then sending me this gigantic monitor. So the cool thing about this it's okay.
Good timing.
No, it's okay, it's fine. I'll just edit it. So the cool thing about this monitor, it has been a collaboration between a lot of esports players. So you know that this is definitely for those who are gaming hardcore. Really excited to unbox this and use this. Let's go. Let's go. So look how cute this is. Okay, cute.
Yeah, so cute.
So cute.
These drivers are so cute.
I don't even know where to begin, to be honest.
Well, these are just essentials. Aux port, power cord,
There you
CD
go.
for the drivers.
Oh, here you go. HDMI cable.
But we got the UPI there.
Take this out. Ooh, so pretty. Wow, it's already showing off the versatility when it comes to.
Want to do a shot?
I could, yeah.
It's already in vertical form. You can see
Yeah,
it.
so the cool thing about, can you hold it like that? Okay, that's fine. So the cool thing about this monitor is that you can actually adjust it many ways. So for example, you can adjust it horizontally, vertically. It's really good for streaming. So this is definitely a monitor that is already showing off its versatility. Not bad monitor. I am very Filipino, and I can already tell that there's plastic on the back of the monitor.
It's gonna stay on for years.
That's staying on. That is not going to be removed. I'm going to keep that. Let me know if you guys actually do that too to your like TV remotes or like brand new technology. I don't know if I'm the only one. I feel like if you're Filipino, it's a must. So go ahead, Jay, take that out. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty.
Oh, it's
wow, it's actually really nice.
Super solid.
It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, if I'm being honest.
27 inches.
It is 27 inch. It's 1920 by 1080. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is the stand. Jay, that is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Awesome.
So this is how it looked in the box, but as you can see, Jay can rotate it and you can adjust it. It's very, wow, it's very mobile. Very fluid is probably the better word choice. But not bad. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was.
Yeah, it's huge. Wow.
It's actually
It's huge.
This is so crazy. This is an incredible monitor. So if you guys attended EVO, let me know in the comments below. If you did or didn't, these are the monitors that they use for every single pool when it comes to Saturday, Friday, and Sunday. I don't know why I did that order. But Friday, Saturday, Sunday. BenQ has a variety of monitors. Definitely check them out. The RL series is just for esports and gaming. They do have, I believe, an XL, but that is their professional line. So of course, you're gonna get more hertz, you're gonna get more in-depth picture. And the reason why is because those are for professionals for when it comes to editing and Photoshop, a lot of those things. But this monitor in general is perfect for esports. And Jay and I cannot wait to play a lot of Nintendo Switch games on this monitor. I mean, look how crazy this is.
That looks good already.
It looks so good. I'm so excited. Whoa. So Jason right now is on the BenQ website. Keep in mind that we have light facing from the window, so that's why there's so much glare. But even with the glare, it's actually not
Yeah, when you're
bad.
here, it doesn't show.
It doesn't show. I wish we can kind of show you guys that
Yeah,
on
the camera's
camera.
not good. We'll
The
do
camera's
B-roll
not
and
clean
see.
up, but yeah, like Jason said, we'll be doing some B-roll for you guys. So that is really cool. I know that we can adjust a lot of things on this monitor. So this is like right out of the box. We didn't do anything to it. We just plugged it in and played. But there is a lot of features that you can do. This is just awesome. So far, I absolutely love it.
Good.
I definitely want to get a second monitor now from BenQ. So a huge thank you again to BenQ for sending this amazing monitor, the BenQ ZOWIE. So far, it is incredible. It's crisp. Thank you again for the team having me at their booth at EVO, and to Julie being in the interview. Thank you so much again for sending me this monitor. I'll have all the links down below in the description if you're at all interested in this beautiful display. This is incredible, and like I said, check out all the links down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next Nintendo video. Bye! Woo, Don!